In this video, we'll walk you through on how to install the Holophane PXLW top cap adapter. Safety and installation instructions are included with your product, or you can find them on holophane.acuitybrands.com. Make sure to review all guidelines before proceeding. Next, be sure to turn your power off. Make sure you're wearing the correct protective equipment. After the power has been turned off, remove the existing luminaire while keeping the top cap in place. Check the existing wiring to make sure it's undamaged and meets applicable code requirements. Inspect the existing cap for corrosion, structural damage, or sealing joint disruption. Clean the sealing joint to ensure a smooth surface for installation. Hang the PXLW luminaire hinge pin on the existing top cover hook. Inside the PXLW luminaire's wiring chamber, make the appropriate supply and ground connections to the luminaire's wires in accordance with local codes. Use purple and gray wires to make dimming connections if provided. Next, close the PXLW fixture to the existing top cap using the closure screw. Make sure the wires are not pinched in the sealing surface. Tighten the closure screw to torque specifications in the installation instructions. Turn the power on and double-check that the luminaire is operating correctly. For additional configuration information, please consult the PXLW Top Cap Adapter specification sheet.